Did you know India was once hailed as the Brazil of South Asia? Today, despite a rich football heritage, India struggles to secure a place on the global level in the sport. In cricket, when Virat Kohli steps back, hundreds of potential stars are waiting in the wings. But when our football icon, Sunil Chhetri, hangs up his boots, there's no ready replacement. Why? The reason is simple. It's a vast disconnect between the grassroots and the glory. This problem isn't new. It has long been recognized, yet no feasible solution has emerged until now. Funny Bhushan, a passionate football enthusiast and serial entrepreneur, met Hitesh Joshi, a former footballer who later moved into the corporate world. Their shared passion for the sport brought them together, and they decided to join hands to make a positive impact in football. They saw the gap and decided to act. Their vision was clear: to create a platform that connects every football dot across the nation.
There is no structured career pathway in grassroots football in India. When I say structured career pathway, we realized is there's grassroots football and there's professional football, and there's nothing in between. So the players don't know how to go from year to year in a structured manner.
Soon, the idea evolved into India Khelo Football, a collaboration platform that isn't a club, an academy, an agent, or a management company. It had one focused agenda: to hunt for the Indian version of Messi, a Desi Messi. Inspired by the vision and passion of Ani and Hitesh, Nirja became the first to believe in the possibilities of IKF. Driven by a shared commitment to transforming Indian football, she joined the team, marking the beginning of a journey to create lasting change in the sport.
Majorly, it's the cities where we feel that the platform of IKF should be provided. Rather than it being just a footballing state, that's not our belief. Our belief is to rather go and find cities where there is no platform for footballers, but we are there to support them.
IKF's mission has always been to revolutionize football scouting in India. Their innovative approach has led to several groundbreaking firsts that have transformed the way talent is discovered and nurtured. Here's how they made history: nationwide trials on an unprecedented scale. They conducted trials across India, ensuring that every region from metropolitan hubs to remote villages had the opportunity to showcase raw talent. Local empowerment. For the first time, numerous cities and villages hosted professional football trials, directly unlocking local potential and inspiring communities. Unified scouting platform. Rival clubs came together under one roof at the IKF National Finals, breaking down traditional barriers and fostering a collaborative environment for talent identification. Innovative scouting partnership. They became the first to partner with the prestigious Subroto Cup, setting a new standard for talent scouting in grassroots football. Global Showcase for Talent. Their inaugural showcase event directly connected talented players with US universities, paving the way for student athlete admissions and international exposure. International exposure. They hosted Premier League Academy scouts for talent assessment workshops, opening scholarship opportunities, and pathways to international academies. Each of these milestones underscores their commitment to democratizing the football selection process, ensuring that every aspiring player gets the chance to shine. Committed to transparency and fairness, IKF does not charge clubs for their services. Registered as a not for profit entity under Section 8 of the Companies Act, IKF operates with one promise: Aap khelo, mauka hum denge. You play, we provide the opportunity.
The difference that we bring over here is we are not competing with anybody, we are rather collaborating. The talent pool which we get is open for the ecosystem. Even if Mumbai City wants it, Jamshedpur wants it, Kerala Blasters wants it, the power is with the players. It's a very resource hungry process for any ISL or I-League club or I-League 3rd Division club or I-League 2nd Division club to go to 100 cities, villages, conduct trials, get the players. It's a very resource hungry process. We are doing it for them, or rather on their behalf, at absolutely no cost.
This is the story of how passion and vision came together to create a new pathway for Indian football. With IKF, the dream of a Desi Messi is no longer just a dream, it's a promise. Stay tuned for the rest of our series to learn more about how IKF operates, celebrates, and envisions the road ahead. आप खेलो, मौका हम देंगे.